Welcome to another edition of In the News with Tommy, and today's story is great. Strap on, put on your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. This is a story, one for the ages. And coming out of, drumroll please, Florida, you guessed it, and what has probably got to be the lamest canine-themed excuse since the dog ate my homework. A convicted felon, yes, who led Florida police on a high-speed chase before crashing and fleeing the scene, claimed he had not been driving the car. Who did? Getting there. But then he said, my dog was driving the car. I ran 'cause I wanted. You ain't gonna find no drugs or guns on me. True story. True story. Yes, and I just want to dissect the story here, and we can't be, we just gotta digest it. Take it one sentence at a time. Now, that obviously, I think what the convict, the felon, was saying here was a dog-faced lie. I mean, if I had a dog, my dog's full name is Rip for short, but I just call him Rip. Honestly, this story, when I think about it, it's a big deal. My cat, true story, my cat got pulled over for an illegal U-turn yesterday. But I don't have a cat. Once again, Florida man strikes again. But Florida is nothing but class. Now, just thinking about it, the guy, I think, if I'm reading it again, the guy was probably referring to his dog, as in DAWG, as in his friend, and not a dog. Okay? Now, I just want to know if when the dog was driving this car, was he, or did he also eat, was he also eating the homework at the exact same time? Now, I think this story could have a lot of legs to it. Maybe let's give the convict the benefit of the doubt. Why? Think about it. Think about it. If this was, the story made no specification now, if this was a Chihuahua, then probably he was lying. But if the dog was a Great Dane, there is a huge possibility that the dog, in fact, I think, was driving the car because his legs would be long enough to reach. I know it's a little bit of a stretch, but I think the nice gentleman from Florida is telling the truth. Why is the dog always to blame? I mean, from homework to driving the car. Maybe, in actuality, this could have been a true story. As in, maybe the dog was driving. Because I believe Scooby-Doo actually drove too. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?